Hello friends, I'm back. I finished my reorganization of my craft room, so that I thought I would hop on and share with you the final result. So I'm holding my phone, so I'm sorry if it's a little shaky, but I'll do my best to keep it steady. So over here, this is pretty much the same. I have my Michaels cube drawers here, Cameo, and my layout wall. This is where it started to change. So here is my embellishment buffet cart, and that used to be over here, which I added those cube units. I'm really loving those there. I'm loving the embellishment cart there so far. The flow works really well. And so these units here, these are Michael drawers, and the top one has all my Christmas collection, and the bottom has random supplies in it for now, but I'm sure that will change. And then these bins here have punches, Project Life cards, Project Life kits, thicker overflow, so all stuff that I need to access, but it doesn't have to be too close to my desk. And then I got my little tool caddy up there as well, and then just some little decor on the top for now, but I do have some extra storage, which is really nice. So I'm really enjoying this additional add-on to my Calyx Cube unit. So I'm really excited about it. So I don't know, I might change these out over time, depending on what I want closer to my desk, or, kind of move things around in the bins, but the actual layout I'm really pleased with. So then I moved all my mixed media over here into these shelf units. So I'll show you. That's been one of the mixed media was my sorted out September challenge. So I'm part way there. I got a home for it, and I've done some sorting, but I want to do a little bit more. But these little bins here function just like a drawer. And so I get twice the space in one cube, and I love it. These bins I get from Target. I think they're like $4 a piece or $6, something like that. They're really great. And then I have this awesome little Lazy Susan with all my mixed media sprays on this top shelf. And then some more mixed media in here. And then this is my embossing and mixed media stencils. So I'm really excited about this section right here, because it's stuff that I gravitate towards all the time when I'm scrapbooking. I use a lot of mixed media, tissue paper, so on and so forth. So I think this makes sense. And I really enjoy the drawer unit. So I have, this is crazy. I have like 5 or 4 drawers. Oh, excuse me. These are my Project Life layouts. This is Disney, and then the rest are Christmas. But I just have a ton of Christmas. I really like Christmas, and my Halloween is kind of, going the same route. So I love those drawers to store all my collections in. The collections that are just too big for my standard envelope system, which I have here. And then my desk, here is my Stash Bash bin for the month of September. And then here is my desktop. I have this little shelf with my paintbrushes and glue and spray bottle, my scrapbook kit that I have. I pull out a new one every month to use, keep it fresh. My pens and scissors, trash can, ATG, and then some random shelves, some embellishment trays, and my mat all here. So my desk space is really great. I love it. And then over here we have my desktop, which I'm really enjoying having it close by because I use it a lot. My Canon selfie. I have my typecast typewriter on my desk now, which having it out, I use it more, so it's really great to have it there, but I can also move it aside if I need this desk for more of a workspace. And then below, I have my washi and a couple extra Michaels bins with my overflow stamp pads, like distressed ink oxides, some mixed media mats, and my cutting boards. I really like having them stored in this unit here. So that is the changes. I'm really liking it a lot. So now it's just kind of getting in and being creative and seeing if the flow works. Craft rooms are forever evolving, so mine definitely is, but I'm digging the new layout. So I hope you guys are too. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer. But I hope this is helpful and inspiring, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy organizing. Bye.